Shomrita Medical College and Hospital, it is located almost at the center of the city of Dhaka, the capital of Bangladesh. This institute has got many characteristics that are often not available in other medical colleges. For example, the location. About the location, it is very near to the airport, bus stand, and the other railway and communication system. By the side of this institute, there is almost a tourist place, what is called Hathis Jheel, and the campus is located in such a way that anybody from anywhere can reach the office or classes regularly with less discomfort, with comfortable journey. The college and hospital is also associated with dental unit and nursing unit, and all these institutes are staffed and equipped so much so that in medical colleges, particularly in MBBS and BDS courses, the teachers are among the strong faculties of the country. It is of international standard and it is very often praised by many visitors from home and abroad. The students' discomfort is almost nil in this institute. The hostel is located, most of the hostels are located very near to the institute and others are a little bit away, wherefrom the transport has been made so available that nobody faces any difficulties in attending classes. This institute abides by the rules and principles and directions from the Ministry of Health, Ministry of Health and BMDC, I mean Bangladesh Medical and Dental Council, and the University of Dhaka. And we are very much happy that we can comply almost 100% with all these regulatory authorities, the strongest authorities of the country. So, in addition to the standards that are prescribed from these regulatory authorities, other minor or other related authorities also visit this institute time to time, and we are in a continuous journey of developing the institute. Currently, about 1,000 MBBS students, dental BDS students and many nursing students are studying in this institute. All are very much comfortable. The relation between the students are very much friendly, and faculties often consider their students as their children and as their young mates, and very often they have free discussions. In addition to lecture, demonstration and practical classes, the students has the facility to discuss any academic matter with any faculties of this institute. The library that are in the M.H. Shomrita Medical College, it has been enormous collection. It has got a lot of collections, and all the latest edition books, journals, online journals, all these are available all the time. The hostel and accommodation and also the food system that are available in this institute and under the guidance of these institutes are very much congenial and very much helpful and comfortable for the students. Up to now, many foreign students have been graduated from this institute, and to the best of our knowledge, they find this place very much pleasurable, and they are very much proud of this institute, and they are working in many positions in their country as well as outside the country. And Bangladeshi students, foreign students, male, female, gender, all these are not discriminated at all. Everybody has